The Bigfoot AI vlogs are one of the first memes to stem from the increased fidelity of video AI.
I'm gonna crash out!
I don't know what was in that, but I can't freaking sleep.
They see a specific trend manifesting as Bigfoots shooting vlogs of their surroundings, creating an influencer-style clip in an instantly recognizable format garnering millions of views. This is why you'll get accounts creating videos of Bigfoots or Yetis across the world recording themselves doing things outdoors or even indoors, usually with a relaxed and laid-back attitude. What's interesting is that the idea of Yeti Bigfoot vlogs have become a massively popular gold rush. AI channels everywhere are promoting tutorials on how to make them, as the meme generates consistent engagement. AI video memes are becoming more and more popular as the tech improves, and we are seeing further ideas produced in this specific format as many channels seek to cash in on them. The Australian version, known as Big Kev the Yowie, will often reference the Sasquatches from the Big Les show, taking clear inspiration from that incredible series.
If Sassy was here, he'd be pissing himself laughing.
However, what makes Big Les special is its hand-drawn Microsoft Paint rawness, whereas characters like Big Kev, whilst fun, arguably lack that charm and authenticity. The account makes money by providing cameos to paying customers, which is a revenue stream that is extremely likely to become increasingly popular as AI-generated characters become famous influencers in the near future. This is already happening, of course, with AI-generated girls selling photos, as there seems to be a pretty wide community keen to harness the technology for quick cash. However, the popularity of these Bigfoot vlogs definitely fits within prior trends created by viral AI results, from DALL-E mini trail cams, to anime art, to Gumbo's Slice, to AI SpongeBob, to Lil Yachty's Walk, to many, many more. The medium has allowed people to generate various ideas that seem to have struck a chord with the general public for several years now. It's clear that meme culture and artificial intelligence will continue to have a relationship, with both of them fueling one another across the internet. After all, AI images have been memes ever since Deep Dream debuted in 2016, then when programs like DALL-E became open to the public in the early 20s. As a result, the Bigfoot vlogs are just another blip on the radar of these many AI trends to pop up over the years. However, they also mark a direction toward AI influencers who are ultimately designed to pull in cash from viewers, either through cameo or affiliate marketing. What meme would you guys like me to give a lesson in next? Let me know in the comments below.
And remember, like and subscribe. Or else.